Good morning, this is Teresa with Mountaineer Farms. Today I want to give you a little demonstration about planting potatoes. I guess I was kind of naive, but I thought potatoes came from seeds, and a good friend of mine, I called him, he's a farmer, and I asked Chris, I said, where do you find potato seeds? And after he stopped laughing at me, he told me what to do. He said, get your potatoes and whatever brand of potatoes you like, if you like the Yukon Golds or if you like the red russets, whatever it may be, he said, buy an extra bag and then let it sit out and let it get eyes. And so like here we've got, this is the red russet, and you can tell we've got several eyes here. Well, each one of those eyes is actually what you're going to be planting. So I've got Randy here, and he's going to quarter them up. Now, what you need to do is make sure that you at least have an eye in one of those chunks. So he's going to cut it out into a chunk, and always make sure that whatever chunk you have, that there's at least one eye to it. So each one of those have got an eye. And you can tell by the chunks, let me see here, I'll get this. Like that's got quite a few eyes right there. He could probably even cut that in half if he wanted to and have multiple eyes there. But that's what you're going to be planting, is those little chunks with those eyes. You need to put them in a round mound or something, a hill. What we've got these planters that were used to be plastic culverts. They're about 2.5 feet wide, and we've cut them off about 1.5 feet tall, and they're filled with fresh dirt and compost. And that's what you're going to be filling them in. You could even do a stack of tires, like we've got a stack of tires. That will be fine. Put them in a stack of tires. And then you're going to be planting them in the ground. Then you're going to be seeing the vines. Once you start seeing the vines, and then as the vines, turn yellow? When the vines turn yellow, that's when you know that your potatoes are ready to harvest, and you just dig them up out of the ground. Now, Randy's been cutting these, getting these ready to go into one of those mounds. Now, these are for the white potatoes or the red potatoes. These are not sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes is a whole different ball game. They come from sweet potato slips. So hopefully I'll have a video here in a little while about sweet potato slips. But just going to show you a little bit about planting potatoes. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Keep watching. Hope you have a blessed day. Remember, we love you and God loves you.